It all began 13.8 billion years ago with the Big Bang. From an unimaginably small, hot point, the universe exploded into existence. Over billions of years, stars and planets formed, but Earth was still waiting to be born. About 4.6 billion years ago, a massive cloud of gas and dust, a solar nebula, began spinning around a newly ignited star, our Sun. Through gravity and collisions of tiny particles, a sphere was born, Earth. But this young planet looked nothing like the world we know today. In its early days, Earth was a hellish place, a molten ball of lava where heavy metals sank into its core, forming Earth's magnetic field. This shield protected the planet from deadly cosmic radiation. Then just 10,000 years after Earth's formation, something extraordinary happened, a collision with a Mars-sized planet. The impact flung debris into space, which clumped together to form our moon. This event was crucial. The moon stabilized Earth's rotation, laying the groundwork for seasons and eventually for life. Slowly, Earth began to cool. What was once a sea of molten rock became a solid crust. But where did water come from? Scientists believe billions of years ago, icy comets bombarded Earth. As the ice melted, oceans were born. Volcanoes erupted, spewing gases that created the planet's first atmosphere. There was no oxygen yet, but this thick blanket protected Earth from the sun's harsh rays, setting the stage for life to emerge. The great mystery remains. How did life begin? Scientists believe it started in Earth's oceans, where a primordial soup of chemicals had billions of years to form complex molecules. Around 4 billion years ago, simple single-celled organisms emerged. They absorbed energy from their surroundings and reproduced. One of the most transformative breakthroughs was photosynthesis. Microorganisms like cyanobacteria began producing oxygen. This altered the atmosphere and laid the foundation for complex life. After billions of years of evolution, more complex organisms began to form. Multicellular life made its debut, and over time, these organisms evolved rapidly. About 500 million years ago, during the Cambrian explosion, evolution took off like a rocket. The first fish swam in the oceans, and plants began colonizing the land. Once barren and lifeless, the Earth's surface was finally coming to life. Dinosaurs ruled the Earth for millions of years, but their reign came to a sudden end 66 million years ago when a massive meteor struck what is now the Gulf of Mexico. With the dinosaurs gone, mammals seized their chance. Small, furry creatures adapted, spread, and eventually became the dominant life forms on the planet. About 60 million years ago, primates, ancestors of modern apes and humans, began to evolve. But it wasn't until 2 million years ago that the first human-like species appeared, such as Homo habilis and later Homo erectus. They made tools, harnessed fire, and lived in social groups. Homo sapiens, our species, emerged around 200,000 years ago. With intelligence and the ability to cooperate, we spread across the globe, transitioning from hunters and gatherers to farmers, city builders, and eventually the architects of the modern world. The history of Earth is a story of transformation, destruction, and resilience. It took 4.6 billion years to arrive at where we are today, but our story is far from over. What secrets remain hidden in the time before history? Perhaps the future will reveal them. The mysteries of our past are far from over. There's so much more to uncover about the world we live in. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to discover what's hidden in history and beyond.